Here is a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Armitage ceiling fan in white. This one's kind of a nostalgic fan for me because what's the story? My great-grandparents were having a house built and they bought a couple of ceiling fans for it. One in the living room, one in the kitchen. And both those rooms had vaulted ceilings. It was a full open space, pretty much. And they bought one of these by mistake, so I wasn't able to go up there. Because it's obviously it's not a downrod mount fan, it's a hugger fan. I mean, the truth is, hugger fans don't blow much, don't typically move near as much air as downrod fans. Like that one. Let me know if you want to see a video of that. There's a kind of a funny story behind that. And something else I'm going to be doing is using my new kilowatt meter to measure the power informations and so forth. There's the Harbor Breeze logo. See inside of it, I'll put a picture of the information's tag in here in the video. It's got white blades, and if I recall correctly, that's like blonde blades they call it or something. I can't remember. I'll put it in the video if I got that wrong. The reverse switch is the sun for the summer direction and the snowflake for the winter. And it has these cheesy thin fobs on it. I don't know why. So like it, if I recall correctly, I think that has like a 60-watt equivalent or possibly even a 40-watt equivalent DEL bulb in it. It's the one that come with the fan. So I'm using it, and we're gonna look at the power informations, and that just takes these ceiling fan videos in this testing area to a new level. So there it is with the light. So we're testing at 121.1, now 0.3 the volts, 0.06 amps, 5.4 watts, and a power factor of 0.72. Huh. It's borderline okay, I guess. I'll put it on low here. I'm going to leave the light on for now so we can get the informations. Again, 0.22 amps, 14.9 watts, and a power factor of 0.54. What? You can't be serious. What? You can't be serious. That's garbage. this isn't in a very typical use case, so the airflow being in a typical room where you would see it probably would be a better place to measure the airflow. So it doesn't seem too bad. Okay, it's drawing 0.19 amps, 9.1 watts, a power factor of 0.38. Okay, so the power factor is garbage on low. Give me a break. I mean, that's low speed. Here's the factory medium speed. Yes, I did rewire this now that I have the kilowatt meter. So it's on medium speed. It draws 0.31 amps, 23.5 watts, and a power factor of 0.62. It's gotten a little bit better. .34 amps, 29.2 watts, power factor of 0.69. Okay then. Being right here, it actually moves some pretty good air. That's kind of impressive for something like this, I guess. I mean, keep in mind, you have this kind of a ceiling where you have the beams here and the ceiling fan electrical box brings it down like an inch and something. So in an actual room, it'd probably be a little bit different. So it's drawing 0.45 amps, 54.3 the watts, and a power factor of 0.98. Looks like the power factor is the best on high speed. Maybe if I could get a better power factor on a low speed, I'd probably use a controller. High with the light, just it's 0.50 amps, 59.8 the watts, and a power factor of 0.98. That's amazing. When I was at my great-grandparents' old house, this was by the garage door, and I once opened the box took the blades out of it, things like that. And after that, after they found out it wasn't correct, it was returned, and they got a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Classic style, the newer version of it. You can go ahead and watch the spin down if you so desire to. And once the spin down is over, the video is over. before I end the video, I forgot to mention this was actually in 2014, for those of you who aren't aware of it. So it probably would have came with the thicker fobs on it as opposed to these stupid thin ones. So the fan has stopped. Now it's time for the video to stop.